Howdy doody clampers, we made it to Calliope River Retreat, or if not picnic area, rest spot, camping area, whatever. It's a 48-hour stop. It's a great little area. It's hard to find. Well, it's not really that hard to find. If you go off the Bruce Highway, go past Calliope around 4 or 5 k's, turn off to your left off the old Bruce Highway. There's plenty of sites here. There are spread out a fair bit. When you come down here, there is some hilly bits down the bottom, but there is some flat bits up near the road. You can actually park just outside the area, and it's pretty flat ground too. There's a few campers already out on there. This side is not near the river. It's a bit of a hill, you fall down, whoa! But it's a nice area. You've got a few trees over this side compared to the other side. It is a bigger area on the other side compared to this, but I'll let you have a look anyway. There's also a kiosk. It opens at 9 and shuts at 3 p.m. and it's open 7 days a week. So yeah, it's just up the road a bit, around a kilometre, and you can get bait and you can get ice and you can get food and takeaway stuff and everything else. So I'm about to go up there eventually today and have a bit of a look-see and see. Righto, here's the old Bruce Highway Bridge. No wonder they took it out. It is rubbish. Mate, the Rio's showing everything else. I guarantee you put a big truck over there, it'd probably get bang. But nah, look, it is what it is. It's an old, oh look. How cool's that? Nice birdie, nice birdie, nice birdie. Man, beautiful. Anyway, righto, this side behind me is the north side. Just over there is the Bruce Highway. Go across that, come up to the Heritage Centre and turn left, and then do another sharp left again, and that will take you down the old Bruce Highway, which brings you to the north side. Look, I'll give you a bit of a warning around here. As you can tell, nice sandy area for crocodiles. You know what they say? Never smile at the crocodile, never toot your head. Yeah, so just be careful. I don't know about going for a swim. It just looks really croc area, but there is a nice formation of rocks. So yeah, I might actually have a bit of a wander down there a bit later and have a bit of a look-see. See if we can find some crocodiles. Righto. Mate, bit of a rock climb for the kids if they want to come up here. Just got to be careful with them. It is a bit of a, used to be called dangerous rock jumping. But yeah, it's good for everyone to climb on. Just hope your ankles are all right. If you want to throw a rod in, people are throwing rods in and stuff like that. I don't know what they're going to catch, probably a 3-eyed fish or something, but I don't think the water's that polluted, but it looks nice. It's pretty clear. You've got a nice stream running down here. As you can tell by here, beautiful. There is a boat ramp here. You can actually put a boat in if you want to stop for a bit longer. Look, you might be able to stop on the south side and then go to the north side if you want to for another 48 hours. It's probably a way of getting away from it, because people do get a bit shirty if you spend a little bit more time than what you should, because look, you've got to share it for everyone. Stop, spend a bit of time here, take off to the next destination. Look, a lot of people probably just stay here for a week. So look, there is room enough for people to stay for a week, but you just don't know. Look, it could be packed one day and it could have nothing the next day. So do the right thing, stay 48 hours and take off. Righto clampers, this is the south side like I told you before. The north side's over there, as you can tell. It's up a bit of a hill. It's not near the river, so good, crocodiles can't get you. But this area here, you can throw a line in. Good luck with catching fish. Don't know what's out there. You might catch an old boot or something. I'm going to try it. I've heard there's barramundi, no, not barramundi, trout in here. So, oh, I thought my mate just caught something then. I went, oh yes, he hit it. He got a leaf.
A leaf out of my book.
A leaf out of your book. So let's give it a go. as you can tell, there's plenty of sites to actually pull up. If you've got your self-leveling or you've got to jack everything up, look, there is plenty of sites that have got level sites on it. But they're not far from few, but you've got grassy area, you've got shaded areas up the back. So it's not too bad. It's for free. But yeah, find a spot, park up, stay for 48 hours and off you go. And remember, when you do come and you do leave, they do supply bins, as you can tell behind me. Please put all your stuff in bins, tidy up, as they say, no trace. So make sure you do that. Rightio clampers, look, my bad, there is toilets. It's in another little camp area up top, as you can see around me. You can park up here. It is plenty of flat areas, but the only thing is most of it's turnaround. You've only got a couple of parks over there in front of the awning and the picnic tables there. But to get up here, look, seriously, four-wheel drive. No big rigs up here, no RVs, it's just too rough. On the north side, there's quite a few flat spots you can park. There's a couple of bits you can go down. I've chosen the north side just because the toilets are close, where these toilets are a fair distance away. These are open. The other sides are closed at the moment, but they've got a portable toilet block, removable type thing. Yeah, yum. Just having a look now. Just had a quick look into the toilet area. There's no showers in here. I'm going to have a look on the other side, but I'm pretty sure there's no showers here at all. Wash with the crocodiles, remember? Never smile at the crocodile, never tilt your hat, and never stay a while. Be careful of crocs. And there's some stickers and then there's road paintings that says be croc aware. So I'm assuming, should never assume, makes an ass of yourself, but assume there is crocodiles here and watch out for them. Like, oh, is that a crocodile? Oh, well, let's go crocodile hunting. Howdy diddy, sunshine clampers. Mate, just letting you know, we stopped at a place called Historical Village. It's just off the Bruce Highway, on to the left. It's right near Calliope. Free camping, it's just up the road. Yeah, if you're ever going past, pop in and have a look. Man, they really do some nice coffee, and they've got sweets, and it gives the kids a bit of a run around and breaks the day up. And as you can see, there's a bit of a park around here, and that's the historical village here. You get to walk through it and everything else. It's just a quick donation. It's not much at all, so if you want to, please donate. There are volunteers that work here and stuff like that. So please come in, have a look, stay, have something to eat, buy some lolly for the kids. Yeah, that'll really go down a treat, won't it? But it gives them plenty of time to run around and breaks a bit of the break up between here and Rockhampton. So pop in, I'll let you have a look when I go in there. Talk to you soon. The old red rattlers. Not many of us remember them, but I do, believe it or not. I used to catch one of them to work every morning. With the new trains out now, mate, nice. These things, old school. Let's have a look. Howdy doody clampers. Mate, that was Calliope River free camping site. Two sides, remember, south side, north side. North side's great, we call that Snob Hill, and then you've got the south side, which is Povo Hill. Not really, it's still a nice campground. It's a bigger campsite on the southern side than it is on the north side. But yeah, that was Calliope River campsite. Budget, it's free, it's free. So, if you're ever going past here, off the Bruce Highway, turn left, come on this on the south side. If not, go across the bridge, turn left again at the historical place just up the road here. Turn left, follow it all the way down to the riverbank, and just find a place and camp, mate. And the next place we're going to today, we're going to stay there for a while. It's pretty cheap. It's $5 per person, $5 per vehicle, and $5 for electricity and water. So if you've got two people with power and everything else, it's $20 a night. But for me, vehicle, me, no power, $10 a night. Budget. Righto, let's go. Woohoo!